Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and I don't usually do these often because I don't really have a desk or areas to do a tutorial properly. So I ended up moving all my makeup into another room. I have a desk in front of me, my brushes, and it's just gonna be easier for me to do the setup. The background, please forgive the background. It is so ugly. Honestly, those are my soft boxes, and I covered this one with a sheet because it was like so ugly. I'm so embarrassed. Anyways, let's just forget that this even exists. The makeup that I'm going to be doing today is going to be full glam. It's really out of my comfort zone. I usually just do natural makeup, and so this is going to be very different for me. I have all of my products laid out, and I wanted to do like a different colored eye look, maybe like a green or something. I have these really amazing shadows from ColourPop, this row right here. Like, they're so stunning, and I want to use them a little bit more. So first I'm starting to prime my skin with the Fenty primer and the Too Faced primer. I'm going to go in with the NARS concealer first on a little dual fiber brush and just get rid of all the redness and the blue under my eyes. I like doing concealer first because it gives a nice base, and then you end up using a lot less product from your foundation. I look very ghostly right now, but that'll go away. Okay. The shade of that is Vanilla, and then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Pearl. So I have a pump of that on the back of my hand, and I'm also gonna add in a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is by far my favorite foundation. It gives less of an orangey tinge to the foundation. And I'm gonna mix it on my hand. And then I'm gonna start applying that on the outer edges of my face, leaving the inner sections lighter with the concealer. The foundation mixed in with the L'Oreal isn't as dark as I thought it was gonna be, so that's awesome. Now that I look ghostly, just quickly apply some powder to set that in. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury powder in Fair. I'm going to go in with my butter bronzer. These wings are going to kill me. Okay. Hold it together. I want to look super bronzed for this because it's going to be a lot more of a intense look, full coverage look than I'm used to. That's good, right? Look at those cheekbones. I feel like I need to do my brows before anything else because this is just creeping me out. So I'm going to pluck these bad boys and do them so that when I come back, we can just start on the eyes. Okay, so I'm back and my brows are on. I did carve them out with the NARS concealer because I haven't got them shaped in a really long time. So it just kind of makes the look a little bit more clean cut. So essentially what I did was I took a tiny little brush and I brought it all the way underneath the brow and on top just to make the brows a little bit more defined. And yeah, so I never do that, and that's probably a good thing I did it off camera because, I mean, I didn't want to bore you guys and I didn't want to make too many mistakes. I haven't got my eyebrows done in a while and they look a little bit unruly, so I had to do something about it. Now what I'm going to do is finish off the face with some blush and some highlight. I probably should have done my eyeshadow first considering it's going to be a little bit more, I really don't know what I'm going to do. I always bring my blush on my forehead, and I wanted a really natural blush because the eyes are going to be the center of attention, so I use the NARS Exposed Blush. And then I'm going to go in with the Becca highlighter in Moonstone. This is just going to be a beam of light on my cheekbones. I just remembered that I have Pilates tonight, but now that I'm doing all this makeup, I'm like, do I really have to go? It's also Halloween, so I kind of want to hand out candy and see the little kids, and I don't know. I don't know if I really want to go to Pilates tonight. Now we're getting into the good stuff. I'm gonna bring you guys closer to do my eyes. Okay, so this is very close. So this is just a wash of color to set down that concealer that I put earlier. I'm gonna go all the way up to the brow bone. And I wanna take this eye look a little bit out. I'm going in with a darker brown shade now. I wanna bring it out here, closer to my brow. I don't know why. I'm gonna take a darker shade now. Okay, that is way too high. I'm just gonna take a clean brush and kind of buff that away, as if it wasn't there. I guess I could make it blown out like that. All right, we're going for it. I kind of want my look to focus around this shade right here, which is called Tea Garden from ColourPop. But I'm wondering if I should do like reds with it because it has that red flip. See that? It's duochrome, so it has that red flip there, and then it's green. Red, like a deep burgundy red. But that's too Christmassy. It's Halloween! Maybe I'll use these two together because this is kind of more burgundy. So I'm gonna take this brush, which is very precise. It kind of has that little point at the end. And I'm going to grab that Get Out shade just on the end. Like I'm just dabbing it like that. Really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so on the inner corner, I'm gonna grab this thin shader brush. I think I need to go in with that brown transition shade again to kind of pull it all together. I'm going to go in with the green in the center, and then I will deepen up the red and blend it out. Okay, so again, this is Tea Garden. It has that red-green flip. And on a packing brush, you know what I just realized is that I'm one of those bitches that gets excited about Christmas too damn early. As I'm putting this green on my eye, I'm realizing that that's me. Red and green eye looks, like hello, Christmas. November 1st is tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if you guys are an early bird Christmas lover or like you want to wait till December to really get in the mood. Because tomorrow my alarm changes to Christmas carols, just saying. Okay, I'm loving this. Going in with the brown first underneath. Blowing that out. And then a tiny little bit of the red on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go in with the deep, deep brown. If I was a wing person, this would be a great time. You can see like the fallout there. That makes me so mad. Okay, I'm gonna finish it off with mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Kiko 30 Days Extension Mascara that I love so, so much. Okay, so this fall tutorial quickly turned Christmas. But I really wanted to use this green, and I feel like with the dual chrome effect, it looks so great with red. So I'm going to be right back. I'm gonna finish this eye off camera so that you guys don't have to be bored, and then I will come back and show you both eyes. Okay, so I'm back and I finished off the other eye. I'm actually gonna go find a lip and then we will be all done. I totally lied. I wanna put the highlighter by Becca in my inner corners. Okay, so I just realized that the window in front of me has been open the entire time. I hope that my audio isn't shit. So now I'm gonna go in with the lip This is the Bite Beauty Honeyberry Lip Pencil. Wanted to do like a nude. I'm gonna top it off with this Becca lip gloss. Okay, I hate this lip color with this. I think I need to go more nude. Okay, so I went with my trusty MAC Blankety. This is just the perfect nude for me. I love it, especially when I have a bold eye on, which is like never. But then this kind of focuses your eye upward versus on your lips, and then they don't compete. So then I also added the Becca gloss on top of it as well. What is this called? This is called Champagne Dream times Bellini, or Anne Bellini, I don't know. And so here we are. This is the final look. It is very Christmassy considering that I sat down here to film a fall tutorial. So even though this isn't a very fall tutorial, I did enjoy filming it. I'm gonna get better at filming these tutorial type videos. I'm hopefully gonna fix my setup and this little focusy thing that's going on. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoy these types of videos where a rookie does tutorials, then please give it a like down below, and I will be sure to do more, because then we can learn together, you know, and it's not just me doing a great job, it's like me learning, and trial and error is what I do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys like this eye look. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!